In this guide, you'll learn how to cancel your CapCut Pro subscription. Let's get started. First, launch your CapCut app. Now navigate to the Me page. Once you're over here at the very top, you're gonna find the Pro or Standard version. Tap on your plan to continue. On the next screen, you'll see your subscription details, including the expiration date. In the top right corner, tap on Manage. From here, select Cancel Subscription, then tap Confirm to complete the process. If you don't see the cancel option inside the CapCut app, you can cancel your subscription directly through the App Store or Google Play Store instead. On an iPhone, open App Store, or you can launch your settings. Click on your Apple ID, then navigate to the option Subscriptions. Here, find the CapCut subscription, click on it, and click on Cancel, and go through the process. On Android, open Google Play Store, tap on your profile icon, go to Payment and Subscription, select Subscription, choose CapCut, and then tap Cancel Subscription. Once cancelled, you won't be charged again going forward, and that's it. You have successfully cancelled your CapCut Pro subscription. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.